chunks and they
What is
instantly started
wrong
committing
with my
suicide.
slime? They're killing. They're just.
The second you loaded in the chunks, they're like, ah, nah, just do it again, and they just started freaking committing suicide.
Bro, they're just killing themselves. Why? What are they gaining from doing this? What what's the point? No, stop. No, I'm gonna kill you before you. I'm just gonna kill them before they can kill themselves. Screw you. I'm killing you with my shovel. This is literally a shovel, by the way.
Oh my god.
They're just.
They're not giving up yet.
They're
They're not giving up yet.
killing
They're not giving
themselves.
up, bro. They're not.
They're like going out of their way to kill themselves.
Oh no, here we go again. Oh no.
Bro, I'm just trying
No.
to show. I'm just trying to show off my Technoblade memorial. And they're just killing themselves. Say hi to Technoblade for me. Tell him we miss him. Why are they killing themselves, bro?
Remember, if you're ever feeling like these slimes, make sure to get professional contact.
No, screw you. I'm killing. Damn it! I tried to kill before it died. What the hell?